Good morning, everyone. Fish, pwede ko mag-share? I'd like to thank you for taking your time to join us this morning. Kay kabalo ko, Monday morning, and everybody is busy, but this is going to be very quick. Let me share my slides. Ayan. Okay. Okay, so welcome to Amare. How's everyone? Sige daw, type in the chat box. Or you can feel free to unmute yourself kung kumusta mo, how was your weekend, long weekend at that. Sige. Is everybody okay? Everybody is focused. I'll just make this as short as possible so that you will be able to go ahead with what you are going to do after lunch. So, sandali lang tayo masyado. Okay, let's start with a prayer. Yes, sige. Para sa mga Christians, you can do your own silent prayer. For the Muslims, you can also do your silent prayer. But let me go ahead with the prayer, Lord. Salamat, Lord, for this time that you have given us. Lord, we lift up to you all our discussions. Lift up to you all the people that are here, all the brand partners, Lord, that are going to listen to this, Lord, in the recording, Lord. Lord, this business is something that you have given us, and we give you back all the glory and honor for this blessing. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. In the name of the Father, Son, of the Holy Spirit. Amen. So, welcome to Amare. Okay. It's very, very important that we understand. Everybody okay na ba? Can you give me a thumbs up if you are already listening? Kasi basig nagstorya ko diri unya wa di ay naminaw. Sige daw. Can I have a thumbs up or a heart or whatever? Just to show that everybody is already ready to listen. Okay. Thank you so much for that. Okay, so bakit Amare? Okay. First and foremost, we have to understand that it isn't perfect. Okay? Amare is never perfect. It's just that it is better compared to other opportunities and other career. Okay? Okay lang sa inyo for those who have full-time job. Yes, this can be something that you can do on the side, but my request lang or my suggestion is that please, if you do this part-time, it should be a focused 1 hour or 2 hours a day for everyone, okay? Because this is not perfect at all, okay? So I'm welcoming you all to the new economy, meaning, okay, what does it mean? We are in an economy whereby we are being paid based on performance, okay? So if you can see, if you are familiar with Robert Kiyosaki, the Rich Dad Poor Dad, he showed there the cash flow quadrant. So what does it mean? What does the cash flow quadrant tell us? Ang employee at saka ang self-employed, we work for the money on the left side of the quadrant. Okay? So if, for example, for those employees, if you will not work or if you will not report to the office, wa kay sweldo. Okay? If you're also a self-employed, kagaya ko accountant, okay, for those pala who doesn't know me, I am Michelle Dizon. I have been with Amare for 3 months already. For the self-employed, kagaya ko accountant or lawyers or doctors, kung close ang kanilang office, wala din silang kita. So our goal is for us to transfer, okay, we work it out. Ngayon, para pa tayong self-employed, kasi kailangan pa natin talagang trabahuin ito para magkapera. But as we do our day-to-day tasks, okay, as we do our day-to-day tasks for our Amare business, we slowly transition to becoming business owner and then to investor. Ibig sabihin, the right side of the quadrant is already your money working for you. Okay? So, bakit Amare? Bakit nga ba Amare? Okay? Number one, Amare fits into the new economy. Ibig sabihin, wala siyang cap. You are paid of what you work for. Okay? It has the benefits of traditional business. A lot of you knows that in traditional business, you have to pay your taxes, business permit, mayor's permit, your mga tauhan, ang pwesto nimo, etc., etc. This one, you have the benefits of having a no cap, walang limit na income without the risk of getting into, kasi, for example, you have a bakery, kung wala yung tagamasa mo, so wala kang negosyo. This one, you just plug into your system, then you are good to go. You are paid based on your performance, walang cap, so whatever you want. That's why in the next few slides, we will be able to know and I will try to check with you kung ano ang income na gusto nyo. So Amare is just better in terms of health, time, freedom, and residual income. Bakit? Kasi as you build your business ngayon, mararamdaman mo, ay, ang hirap pala nito, kailangan ko kumausap ng tao, kailangan ko ng ganyan, kailangan ko mag-spend time, kailangan ko pumunta sa CDTL for me to be able to talk to people. But here, in this business, as you build it, dadami ang tao, then you will have your residual income. Meaning, mas kinatutulog ka since we are present in how many countries? 40 countries? Since we are present in those countries, mas kinatutulog tayo, pwedeng may kinikita tayo. Okay? So, but basically, you have to be a pro. Sabi nila, you have to be a professional network marketer. Okay? A network marketing professional. They say that for you to become a professional in whatever field that you are going to do, okay? So, mapa-athlete ka man, mapa-artista ka man, mapa-singer ka man, you become a pro if you are doing it or if you have been doing it for 10,000 hours, okay? Take note of that, 10,000 hours. So, kailangan talaga mag-record kayo kung ilang beses na kayong nakakapag-present, how many people have you prospected, ilang oras ang gi-allot nyo for that specific purpose, okay? So, it is also being able to embrace rejections professionally, okay? In this business, maliit ang kita, malaki ang rejection, okay? People would think, ala, in my case kasi, I am a CPA. I used to work in Dubai. I am a financial, I'm here in the Philippines, I'm a financial advisor, but back in Dubai, I was a financial controller. And when I gave up my career to do network marketing, people started to ask, hala, uy, naunsa naman kaday, na maligya naman kaog supplements. So, you have to be able to take that in professionally. Huwag mong awayin yung mga nag-reject sa'yo. For example, I have experience na this person that I talked to, akala ko okay na kami. Tapos, the next time that I wanted to check with her kung ano na ang decision niya, hindi ko na siya makausap kasi she blocked me from being her friend on Facebook. So you can experience that. Okay lang. It's all right. Okay? Take that in professionally. Okay? So, because people will not understand you. Others will think that you are crazy. They will have a lot of opinions about you. But mind you, hayaan mo sila, let them think of what they want to think because ikaw lang naman ang nakakaalam kung ano si Amare, how much can they offer you, how good the products are. And so, like a pro, you have to be able to take that in professionally. And let's go. Why are you going to take action? Because you are seeing the future and you are smart to be taking action, okay? So, basically, teka, nakikita nyo ba ang whole, ano?
Yes po.
Okay. So, because you are seeing the future and you are smartly taking action to a better life. And it takes smart person to see that opportunity. But you have to start right. Okay? You have to start it right. Stop sharing muna tayo. Kasi I want you to now, I want to congratulate you for making the decision. Okay? For making the decision to grow and to be part of this Amara business. Probably tapikin mo ang sarili mo, sabihin mo, I'm very grateful that I am already with Amare. It takes so much guts kasi wala ka ng boss eh. Wala na magsasabi sa'yo, oh, Angel, bakit wala ka sa office niyan? Or Angel, bakit ka late? So, pwedeng magligid-ligid lang ka, alas 8 na sa morning, ligid-ligid lang gihapon ka. Or si Darren, ay, ikapoy man ko karon, ay, dili man gwapo ang weather, ay, ulan man, ay, dili ko mulakaw. But, you know, you made a decision already. And because of that decision, okay, you have to be accountable. Kasi di ba, balikan natin yung pinag-usapan natin kanina, from the left quadrant na you work hard to get money, we are slowly transitioning to becoming professional network marketers. You are already in a business with a system. Okay? So, now, let's go back to the game plan. So, eto ang game plan natin. Ngayon, I want to ask you this specific question. Okay? And I think you can write down your comments, you can write down your answers, or you can write it on your notebook. How much do you want to earn in Amare to make it worth your time? Very, very important. Ito kasi, for example, nag-start ka ng Amare kasi napilit ka ng nanay mo, napilit ka ng kaibigan mo, napilit ka ng pinilit ka ng kapitbahay mo or pinilit ka ng office mate mo, you are already in Amare. Tapos, wala ka na naman palang intention to earn something. And so, right now, right at this moment, take your time to check kung magkano ang gusto mong kitain in Amare monthly basis for it to be worth your time. Para ma-consider mo, ay, okay na ako sa ganito. 50,000, 100,000, the price is yours because ikaw lang naman ang nakakaalam kung magkano talaga ang gusto mong kitain para maging happy ka. Okay? And with that, syempre may naisip ka ng amount of money that you want to earn. So, nakalagay, isulat mo talaga yan because what's written is already half done. Okay? Kung isinulat mo yan, ibig sabihin, 50% of your goal is already done. Is action na lang. Isulat mo talaga, magkano? 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 200,000. Ikaw na ang bahala. Okay? And for that amount of money, how many hours a week can you commit to make that kind of income? So for example, gusto mo ng 100,000 pero gusto mo weekend mo lang gagawin si Amare. Ayaw mong pumunta sa CDTL kasi malayo sa inyo, sasakay ka pa ng tricycle or something like that. So, with the amount of money that you want to earn, dapat alam mo kung ilang oras ang i-spend mo for you to have that kind of income. Okay? How many months would you work those hours to get that income? Hindi naman pwedeng sinabi mong 50,000 ang gusto mong kitain ngayon, nilagay mo dyan sa papel mo, gusto mo kinabukasan 50,000 na agad. Of course not. Okay? Of course not. I very much appreciate yung work na ginawa nila Mambon, nila Fish, and her team to be able to earn that much on their first month. But of course, it takes so much effort. Hindi ko sinasabing hindi siya mangyayari, but it's gonna happen if you put in the work, okay? How many months? And if I could show you how to develop an income like that, would you be willing to do it? Okay, so we already have a game plan. Mentor JM later will speak about it. Paano tayo makapunta ng Hawaii? Paano tayo, and those who will be joining us in Boracay, it's something that I'm looking forward to. So, how much income? Ilang hours ang i-google mo for you to reach that income? And how many months? Kasi pwedeng this month, tatanim ka, gusto mo next month na kaagad, or gusto mo 4 months from now, gusto mo 6 months from now. So it's up to you. And I will be showing you something. If you succeed, please put this in your mind. If you succeed in this business, okay, it's going to be you. Ikaw talaga yon. Hindi po pwedeng, ay, hindi ako naka-invite last month kasi wala kasi si Fish. Ay, wala kasi kaming event. Ay, wala kasing ano. Ay, pangit kasi ang weather. Ay, kung ano-ano bang mga reason mo. Okay? It is you, not the one who invited you, not your upline. Of course, malaking bagay na may tulong, may group support. Meron kayong event sa CBTL every time. Pag may big event, pumupunta kami ni Mentor JM dyan. But it is you, and you are the ones who would be decide. Kami ni Mentor JM, si Fish, si Ma'am Bon here, si Hanilet, si Ma'am Jo. We will be here to guide you. We will be here to guide you to become the top brand partner here in Amare. Okay, this one, you have to set the right expectations kasi po, natural, okay, kung meron kang mga dahilan, okay, kung bakit hindi mo magawa ang business, there are also repercussions. Hindi araw-araw Pasko pag mga ganitong business. Ibig kong sabihin, it depends on the work that you put into doing your Amare business. It depends on ilang rejections ang nakuha mo. Kasi sabi ko nga kanina, you have to accept rejections professionally. Pero at first, talagang ano ka pa, magre-react ka pa agad, but as you get rejected again and again and again, you will be able to develop that muscle for success already. Okay? So, natural na may up and down, and if you are going to give us permission, kami naman to JM at Fish, you are going to give us permission, we will definitely be guiding you and we will check on you every single time. Okay, so please do not hesitate to message me, to message Fish if you have questions. We are here to guide you. That is our commitment. Specifically ako po, talaga pong bumatiyahi ako dyan just to be able to give you my time. Ibig sabihin po, I don't care kung you are there, but basta ako, present ako. So it's up to you if you will be present. And for us to be able to do that, just for us to be able to make you the top brand partner, you have to be open for us to remind you, okay? So, kailangan po talaga magre-remind tayo. Okay, what is the next thing that we need to do? You have to use the product kasi hindi naman po pwede na nagsasalita ka about the product, alam mo, ang ganda-ganda ng Happy Juice, ang ganda-ganda ng Sunrise, Sunset, ang ganda-ganda ng Extreme, ang ganda-ganda ng Nitro Extreme, Nitro Effect, pero hindi ka pa nakatry. So, sige daw. I hope everybody here has already tried the product and has already opened their Amare back office. And, of course, I think it is very, very important that you are part of the group chat, you engage in people. Hindi po pwede yung nag-post tayo ng something tapos parang walang nakita yung mga associate at yung mga brand partners natin, parang walang announcement na nilagay. So I would really appreciate if there is an announcement, if we have wins, if we have mga iba't ibang mga pinag-uusapan, I hope you will also react. Okay? We have to be able to be there present. Okay? Also, we have to be present in the company events, in the webinars, parang kagaya nito. Because this one, I'm giving it to you for free. Getting started is something that I do for free. And so, you have to be able to attend, at least, no? Attend and show up. Okay? It's very, very important. That's part of the 10,000 hours that you are spending in terms of being or parang practicing or showing up for you to become a professional network marketer. Because kung putso-putso, kung gusto mo lang 200, 100, 300, 400 per day ang kikitain mo dito, then you can get it somewhere else. Here, it takes time, it takes effort, effort and you have to be professional for you to reach the level of Tita Josie Tong and all our uplines sila Mentor JM at saka si Fish. Okay? So, we have to hit our goals quickly. Okay? Importante that you have to have timeline. Hindi po pwede na, sige, kikita ako, ganit. Gaya na sinabi ko kanina, ilagay mo yung income mo at kung kailan mo kikitain yun, ilang buwan mo gustong kitain yun at ilang oras ang dapat mo or gusto mong i-google or the time that you would allot to be doing the business. Okay? So, you hit your goals quickly, hit silver in the next 30 days. Is it something that you can do? Yes, Fish was able to do it sa next month niya. First month, and then next month, she was able to do it. And si Ma'am Bon was able to hit bronze. I think. Si Ma'am Jo was able to hit bronze last month. Okay? So it's something you have to have a very, very vivid, kanang klaro ang ato ang ginatanaw na goal. Okay? Learn how to set up, of course, yung back office natin, hindi po pwedeng yung apply mo pa or yung nag-enroll sa'yo ang mag-set up niya. So please set it up, okay? And learn, and 100 points personal volume siya per month. Okay? For those who do not understand why you are going to set up, subscribe, and save, it is because, number one, sinabi ko kanina, you have to use the products. Anong gagamitin mo kung hindi ka mag-subscribe and save? And if it's too much for you, you can sell it out to other people or you can share it with your family. Okay, so you subscribe and save and get free and then sign them up for subscribe and save as well. Okay, so you sign up someone and you have to sign them up also for subscribe and save because what we are looking at are people who's gonna use the products from today moving forward. Hindi yung tipong, hindi mo siya inalagaan, bumili siya isang beses sa'yo, tapos hindi na bumalik kasi hindi mo na-answer yung mga tanong niya. That's why it's very important that you use the products, you attend trainings on how the products are used, what are the benefits of the products, what are the things that you need to consider when taking the product, and it is only when you attend repeatedly, pabalik-balik po yan, hindi po yan makukuha agad-agad. Compensation plan, very, very important that you understand it. Hindi po siya automatic. Kaya kung hindi mo pa siya na-understand ngayon, normal lang yan. Because you need to understand it kung pabalik-balik. We learn by doing it repeatedly. Okay, let's now discuss this. Okay, let's now discuss our game plan number 5, which is the belief battery. Okay, I linger on this more because when we invited you into the business, we know that you have the potential to grow in the business. Okay? But our belief is as good as your belief in yourself. Okay? So we have belief battery, 4 of them for you to be successful in the business. Your belief for sales, your belief in the product, your belief in the company, and your belief in the industry. Okay. Crucial ang sales kasi mas gaano kaganda ang products. Grabe, binuhos na ng owner natin, ng CEO natin, ng ating set of mga scientists, ang pinakamagandang products for us to be able to share it to other people. But you personally don't believe that you can succeed here. It's useless. So that's why, number 1 talaga yung sales. When you were invited to be in this business, the one who invited you sees the potential in you. So a series of trainings will allow you to unlock that self-limiting belief. Tanggalin sa katawan, tanggalin sa isipan, i-replace ng belief na you can do it here. If others can, you also can do it. Okay? So, how can this happen? If you continue to do the business again and again, and kung hahayaan mo yung sarili mo to grow professionally so that you can accept or you can accept professionally the rejections that you will, hindi naman siya talaga rejections, probably kulang lang sa timing or kulang ka lang sa sa belief sa sarili mo. That's why sometimes you feel talagang sinifeed mo sa sarili mo, ay, na-reject ako, ayoko na, hindi para sa akin itong business na to. So, believe in self, believe in product. So, please try to attend product trainings again. Especially that it's for free lang naman. You just have to log in to your Zoom account and then you're okay. You can listen to the trainings. Na-amaze talaga ako sa mga sinasabi ng mga doctors. Dr. Dan in particular and Doc Maui, they're very, very good at explaining what the products can do to you and the company. It's dapat malaman mo, walang utang yung company, serial, ano ba yun? Serial entrepreneur ang ating chairman, ang may-ari talaga ng company. He believes that he can help other people through this network marketing company na Amare. And the industry. Okay, now, daghan, ang dami-dami sa atin na may bad experience of the industry. Okay? Is it true? Probably true sa ibang company. But ako personally, I fully believe in the industry. That's why I'm staying here for 15 years already. My belief is really that high because even if, one thing kasi na maganda dito, it does not ask for your resume. Nobody asks you kung anong natapos mo. Nobody asks you kung ano ang grade mo, saan ka nag-aral. What ang baon-baon mo lang dito is your goal to be financially free, to have time freedom. That's why very, very important that you develop that belief in the industry, network marketing industry, because it is a very powerful way of earning something when you are able to duplicate yourself. So, belief in self, belief in the product, belief in the company, and belief in the industry is very, 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 very important. I cannot overemphasize that. Okay, so now, bakit ka nga ba nandito sa Amare? Okay, you have to discover your why. And why do you need to discover your why? Because if you discover your why, mas madali na lang itong assignment natin na game plan number 6 natin. You're creating your 100 names, scheduling inviting session, listening to basic product training, familiarize sa the webinar schedule, scheduling getting started too. Because the getting started too, by the way, is something where you will learn how to may 8 tayong, may 8 tayong basic knowledge of how to be able to invite properly. Okay? How to be able to prospect properly. How to be able to, dali lang po. Okay? We have 8 basic, para hindi ko lang makalimutan. Okay? That's getting started session number 2 would be how to find prospects. Okay? Kaya that's why ito dito, you have to list down. It is a no-brainer. Hindi siya negotiable. Kailangan po talaga at this point, magsulat tayo ng 100 names. Hindi ko naman sinasabi ngayon agad 100 names. It has to be a parang active list. Ibig sabihin, pag nagpunta ka, naglaro ka ng pickleball, may bago kang nakilala doon, put them in the list. Pumunta ka ng grocery, may nakausap kang someone, nag-smile ka, somebody smiled back, and then you can update. No more people. Join activities, join groups, join kung ano-anong mga groups. Ako, I am joining yung mga PTA ng mga anak ko, yung mga, yung kung may mga volleyball games ng mga anak ko, pumupunta talaga ako, soccer game, so that I will know more people. So, it has to be an active name, okay? Active name, kailangan maglagay ka ng at least 2 sa isang araw, okay? And then, inviting properly, presenting and closing, following up, handling questions, getting a distributor started right, master the ABC rule. Ibig sabihin, ABC, when you invite someone and Mentor JM will talk or Sis Fish will talk, then you would be able to magnify. So, i-fill up mo talaga kung sino yung speaker and you are the bridge because your client will try to understand kung bakit ko ba paniniwalaan itong tao na to, ano bang meron sa tao na to. So, these are things that we will learn in the next getting started session. And you're promoting events. It's not only, hindi siya yung, uy, may event tayo bukas. So, hindi mo na lang sinalo at hindi mo sinabi kung anong oras. No? So, importante po talaga, it is a skill that you should develop to promote events. Gaya ng event natin on November 16, which will be discussed later by Sesh. So, if you have questions, okay, again, let's go back to building your belief in self, in the product, in the company, and in the industry. Okay, list down your names, 100 names, active list, okay, active list, and be present in the webinars or in the online sessions that we have because we have amazing speakers po talaga. And so again, I'm welcoming you to the Amare business, and I hope this is something that you will do not only today, but in the next coming months. So we will see each other in Hawaii and in Boracay. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Angel. Thank you, Han. Thank you, Darren. Thank you, Ma'am Bon. Thank you, Ma'am Aisa. Thank you for being here. And so, take it away, Fish. Ready na ka, Fish, sa imuhang presentation for how to be able to come up or how are we going to goal set for our the January until January lang naman tayo for our trip in Hawaii. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone! Marinig ako.
Yes. Loud and clear.
Okay. So ito, makita ang screen?
Yes po, pero murag naga ano, Fish, murag naga, kasi tawag ani ana? Murag mulanog, kasi tawag ano, lanog, kasi tawag ano, murag.
Blurry?
Or ka dili. Guwapo ang imong ko ante murag na ikusog murag sa mo rebound ba. Sige daw layo daw unsa man na imong giga.
Wait lang, mag-leave na ako dali. So, kasi I'm using ano kasi.
Duha ka kuan.
Okay. Okay na.
That's better.
Kasi I'm using the two devices one from Tita Josie kasi premium yung kanyang Zoom. And then one for me. Anyways, good morning everyone. So ito po yung ating Team Hub. Thank you so much, Coach Michelle, for the getting started. So actually, Coach Michelle kasi we've been together for this industry mga 10 years already, Coach, no? But for me personally, I started it when I was 16 years old. Hindi pa Yuzana yung aming company noon. It's a local company, kaya I've had several experiences between local companies in the Philippines, networking talaga, and then naging business owner ako, naging franchise holder or stockholder of a big company also na nawala. And then, nagkaroon din ako ng sariling network marketing. And that's a really expensive experience for me. Kaya ako po napadpad ng Cotabato because of it. Okay? So, syempre, alam naman natin na in network marketing, you can really make a passive income or a leverage and income talaga. Kasi it's a working, it's together, everyone will work for the same goal or for a bigger goal. Diba? Kasi, alam niyo ba yung leverage na instead of putting 100% of your own effort to get a 100% profit, ang ginagawa po natin dito sa network marketing, 'di ba? Sobrang saya kasi nga tulong-tulungan. I have my own strength. Ma'am Bon has her own strength also. Ma'am Jo, Darren, Apo, lahat po tayo tulong-tulungan. Ma'am Angel, 'di ba? So si Coach Mitch, Mentor JM, so lahat tayo, we are working together. Siguro we put 1% of our effort. Kung 100 tayo lahat, we can also achieve 100% of our goal. So, ganun po. So, yun po. So, parang si Henry C. tayo dito na owner siya ng SM pero sobrang dami niyang SM. Okay? And this Amare, I'm very excited because it's a global business. Okay? So, we can expand to US, to Japan, and kung saan po available yung mga friends and relatives natin. So, yun po. So, like for me, I'm not from Cotabato, but I'm building Cotabato. And, of course, dito ako ngayon sa Davao. Since I'm from here, I can also build my Davao team. Okay? So, or we can build other places as well. So, wala po tayong limitations. Comparing to a traditional business or a franchise, physical pa lang, medyo malaki na yung capitalization. Second, limited yung iyong capacity to manage, 'di ba? Ang dami mong working expense. Ganun po. So, yun po siya yung ano ni Coach Michelle kanina. So, anyways, I'm not here to talk more about it, but I'm here to talk about the how do we really get this one, yung ating Hawaii incentive trip for 2. Okay? So, first month ko pa lang, I'm qualified already with this event. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ko pa nga naintindihan nun paano ko nakuha itong Hawaii trip. So, kaya, ginawan ko siya ng slide. So, paano ba talaga? Okay? So, yun. Ito po. So, Path to Paradise natin for 2026 is Hawaii. Actually, tapos na yung Bali and US Convention. So, ito lang po. So, from July 1 to January 31, so we join August. I'm qualified na ako by the month of August. And hindi lang ako closer to qualify here because Ma'am Bon and Ate Hanilet is actually reaching their parang kulang lang sila ng konting points para ma-qualify also for the Hawaii trip. For 2 po ito. So, we have three steps for qualification. Unang-una po is, you can qualify 342 for 400 points. Ano yung 400 points? Later, I will discuss it. Ang 400 points po kasi, that's the only accommodation. Okay? Accommodation lang po yung free dito. Second step naman, yung kung 800 points na ang consolidate mo from July 1 to January 31, that's trip for 2 plus airfare for 1. Ibig sabihin, free na yung accommodation mo, free pa yung airfare for 1. Ikaw ba? Pero yung kapartner mo na kasama mo, kasi 2 man ito, they gonna be, sila yung magpipaid ng airfare nila. So, step 3 naman, kung ayaw nyo talaga mag-spend for this trip, so you can do 1,200 points, trip for 2 plus airfare for 2. And an allowance ata of $1,000. So, you can use it for your US visa. Kasi individually po, kailangan po natin magkaroon ng US visa to of course, to fly for Hawaii. Okay? And then, individual din yung application natin. But, it's very good thing that we are connected with Amare. We are a brand partner because Amare can, tawag nito, sila yung mag-i-invite sa atin. They can sponsor or give us, parang sponsor letter, I think. Diba? Parang ganun din ginawa natin sa Yuzana, diba, Coach Mitch? Yung visa application natin is parang yung company yung nag-sponsor sa atin. Parang ganun po. Para to make it mabilis lang yung approval ng US visa. So anyway, so first thing is we can qualify to earn the points travel points po ha, or thrift points, via personal enrollment. So, since we are enrolled already, tayo po, na-enroll tayo, it's either 125 points or 400 points or 500 points. So, ano po yung mga points pala na yan? Okay, di ba? So, first, di ba, kung magkano po yung kinuha nyo na points, which is Happy Juice na entry, like 10,500, so that's 125 points na order fee. So, ibig sabihin po, 5 trip points po yung na-earn mo. Okay? So, yung pag-join mo pa lang as a newly enrolled brand partner, 5 trip points na yon. And then, if you have your own personal enrollment, like ako, same po same po sa ginawa ni Ma'am Bon, nag-join siya, and then yung husband niya at the same time. So, kaya, nag-earn agad siya ng 40 points on that time pa lang. Yung kanyang personal na 400 PB plus the husband niya po na 400 PB, kaya 40 points na agad yon. And at the same time, during the first month of Ma'am Bon, meron siyang focus on 5, right? Naka-focus on 5 siya. Dito naman yun siya sa ayan, naka-focus on 5 siya. So, 5 times 20 trip points, ibig sabihin. So, kaya nagkaroon siya ng 140 trip points lahat-lahat na na-earn niya. So, later, i-discuss natin or tingnan natin yung dashboard nyo. Paano malaman saan nyo makikita yung itong mga points earned ninyo. Okay? So, yun po. So, meron kayong questions about this one? Hindi, iba po yung iba po yung 400 points na bilihin nyo as the product enrollment, iba din yung points earned. So, hindi po kailangan na 400 points talaga yung bilihin mo na product or which equivalent to 32,150, Hawaii trip ka na agad. Hindi po ganon. So, 23 points lang yun. Okay? So, yun siya. Next, ito rank advancement naman. So every yung sa ating compensation plan, we have ranks na kailangan natin ma-attain na status. So sabi nga ni Coach Michelle kanina, with your first month, you just need to hit silver rank, which kaya naman siya, and it's really possible if you are really parang putting at least 1 hour to 2 hours per day, or kasi a lot of us are working or we have a business to handle, so gabi lang tayo naging available for our Amare business. Okay? So, yun po, we just need to prioritize it because it's our business, or we can parang learn from it also. So, it's either you are learning per day, that's a really big help din sa ating business. Second is when you do the business. So, how do you do it? You need to parang promote events, talking to prospects, to invite them, and then magkaroon tayo ng Amare overview. So, during last week, yung na-meet ko si Ma'am Bon, si Ma'am Aiza, si Ma'am Jo, tsaka si Darren ata, I think, sabi ko sa kanila, even without me, they can do Amare overview in, or presentation in CBTL. Basta ang kailangan lang doon is if ako po yung may invite, hindi po kailangan ako yung mag-talk sa kanya about Amare. Kailangan other person talaga. Like, kailangan body system tayo dito. Like, for example, si Ma'am Bon, siya yung magpe-present sa prospect ko. And in return, if may prospect si Ma'am Bon or invite, ako yung magpe-present sa kanya. Parang ganun po. So, kailangan talaga natin body system. Kasi, it's really awkward also or familiarity din. If ako na yung nag-invite, ako pa yung nag-present, ako pa yung nag-close. So, parang, kahirap naman ito gawing business kasi ako lahat ang gagawa. Ibig sabihin, ginagawa niya ngayon, yan din gagawin ko. So, di ba parang mahirap siya. What if yung rejection niya is may work ako, hindi ko yan magawa, or hindi ako marunong magsalita, or hindi ko alam yan, 'di ba? Mga ganyan. So you can reject it because we have a team support to supplement your Amare business. So dami naman natin dito, like si Ate Hanelet, 'di ba, can attest to it that lahat ang ginagawa niya, or si Ma'am Jo, or sila Ma'am Bon, lahat ng mga prospect nila, most of it is sila yung nag-introduce, pero the whole presentation, it's either me or we will invite them to the big events of Mentor GM and Coach Mitch. So, ganun po. So, every rank, we will attain this one. Ito, mga rank advancement. Meron siyang equivalent 3 points. Okay? So, pag silver ka, hindi siya 75 points lang kasi dinaanan mo si brand builder, which is you earned 25 points, plus the bronze, 50 points, plus silver, totaling of 150 points already. So, di ba, if you hit silver in your first month, 150 points na yon, plus your enrollment, personal enrollment na kung ilan yun na direct mo na, 5 ba yun, focus on 5 ka, na tag 400 points, that's 100 points. So, ibig sabihin na anak kay 250 points agad-agad on that level. Okay? And then, on the higher, ano pa, so yan na. So, dito muna, achievable natin is silver rank. Then we can move on to gold and platinum. Kasi we can achieve this platinum. Why? Because Mentor JM is a platinum rank already. So, ibig sabihin, kung kinaya niya in the first month to become a platinum, kaya din natin yun. Kasi he has the strategy and the pathway to achieve this one. So, later, Mentor JM will teach and coach and mentor us. Okay? So, ito pa. Ano bang pinakamadali talaga to get the 3 points? Okay? So, help your downline get their ranks also. If, for example, silver ako, na silver rin si Ate Honey, so meron na agad akong 150 plus 40, 25 and 10 points. Kasi pag yung downline mo, for example, in case of Ma'am Bon, gi-help niya po si Ma'am Jo or Ma'am Aiza to get their ranks. So, ang mangyayari po is, kung mag-silver din po si Ma'am Jo and Ma'am Aiza, so, ang ma-earn niya agad dito, 10 plus 25 plus 40. So, that's totaling to 75 points already. Additional to her 3 points. So, ganun po. So, we just have 3 months left na lang. November this month, December, and January. Until January 31 kasi yung promo ng Hawaii incentive. 'Di ba? So, closer na tayo si Ma'am Bon. Ano na yan, Ma'am Bon? Go na talaga yung Hawaii mo kasi parang konti na lang achieve mo na si Hawaii incentive. Si Ate Honey also. 'Di ba? So, yan. And kaya pa talaga habulin yan. So, we just need to strategize on it. Okay? Kung paano ito makuha. Pinakamabilis way in 1 month. Then, we also have rank retention status. So, when you achieve your silver rank, and then on the next month, silver ka pa rin or bronze ka, so that's additional points already na naman. Okay? Kasi magre-reset tayo every month. Okay? So, later, if you are really interested on the qualifications to Hawaii, so, I can do one-on-one na strategy on you, na i-goal natin for this month. So, ano pa yung pwede nyong makuha? So, me personally, I will give Amare brand shirt for all the newly enrolled brand partners. So, for now, actually, maganda, okay lang kahit na ilang points, pero mas best talaga to promote 400 points. Kasi ito nga yung pinaka-best way to earn travel points. Okay? Para yan, mas maengganyo pa. And, also, to promote Amare in Cotabato. Meron tayong brand presence. Okay? Parang ganito ba? Diba, makita tayo, nagdala-dala tayo ng bag, isa pa lang. Dati, si Ma'am Bon lang at ako ang nagdadala ng bag sa KCC. Ngayon, sobrang dami na natin nagdadala doon. 'di ba? Or isa lang yung Amare shirt tapos ang dami na, 'di ba? So syempre it can create curiosity and brand presence in Cotabato na ay ang Amare papunta yan sa CDPL, 'di ba? Mga ganyan. Okay, so yun po. Then, we have upcoming events in this November. Promote ko po yung November 8. Ito po, The Science of Happiness. If you have people or friends, relatives in Jensan, or we could travel Cotabato to Jensan to bring your interested brand partners. Dito tayo sa Metro J Hotel Jensan. So, Tita Josie will be there, Mentor JM, and Doc Maui Maulana. Okay, so same ito sa ginawa natin sa Las Hermanas and yung sa MB Hotel. 'Di ba nandoon si Ma'am Bon lang pala ang nandoon sa si Ate Hani. So, yun po yung big event natin this coming November. So, yan yung pinaka first. If you have lang naman or if interested kayo to join that activities, we can support Jensan team and meet also the brand partners there. Okay? Next, we have November 12 to 15, we have total delegates po natin is around 12 persons from Cotabato. Okay? So, alam niyo sino na yon? Si Ma'am Angel, si Ma'am Bon, Sir Aya, Ma'am Aisa. They are very happy that you could join us. Nag-leave pa talaga yan siya. Grabe yung sacrifices niya for this business. So, we will guarantee that eto po, hindi po talaga masasayang yung leave mo dito, Ma'am Aisa. We will gonna support you talaga to hit our Amare business in global way and also earn income also as well. Okay, so 12 to 15, si Ma'am Bon and Ma'am Aisa will traveling by land and 9 of us will travel by plane from Davao to Boracay and then back again to Davao for the November 16 event, which is the boot camp at Star Hotel. So, eto pong boot camp natin, these are gonna be exclusive for brand partners only. So, we cannot invite yung parang tawag nito, we cannot invite yung hindi pa brand partners. Pero, if sabihan nyo lang kami kung merong interested to join this event para ma-meet nila si Tita Josie and Julia Turnhill, kailangan brand partner kasi sila. So, we can do on Saturday night, parang Amare overview for them. Para on the 9 a.m. pagka Saturday, they can join this event na. So, I think we have arrangement in terms of accommodation from traveling to Cotabato to Davao. So, dapat 15 pa lang nandun na sila sa Davao. Same as well sa amin, from Boracay, kailangan nasa Davao na kami by 15 so that we can support this Davao Bootcamp. So, it's gonna be extensive training for all brand partners. So, iba yung Presidential Diamond na mag-talk, iba din si Mentor JM and also Tita Josie. Okay? Then, exciting prices pa daw for the first 20 who show up. Diba? Very limited lang yun din yung seat natin. And we have in Cotabato, yung pinakamalaking event natin is November 30, the Kabataan Fun Run. So, it's gonna be a promotional event. These are sponsored po tayo ng Teachers This Learning Hub. Okay, so we have access to 40 parents, participants ng event na ito. Okay? So, yun po. Then, yun nga, we will gonna be parang promoting our company in that event and also yung brand presence natin. And then, Coach Michelle, are you gonna be there, Coach? So that you could promote. Kasi we have the time the stage to promote our parang advocacy rin. Same sa ginawa po natin sa NDC. Pero not extensive as NDC kasi we're given a limited time for promotion. Like what's Amare all about, parang ganun lang. And then we can do parang sa booth good natin na kasi we will give the refreshment, so pwede na natin i-promote yung ating products, or we can sell also our products there. Okay? So yun po. Yun lang naman po. If you have any questions, so don't hesitate to call us for help. Okay? Yun po. Mentor JM? Are you here na po? So,
Yes, hello.
okay. Mentor JM naman will share his thoughts.
Hello, good morning. Congratulations. So, handa na ba lahat ang mga, what do you call this? Handa na ba lahat ang mga SIM 2-piece papuntang Boracay? Okay. Anyway, other than that, I would like to congratulate everybody to will be attending a Boracay trip. Ingat po kayo, lalo na yung mag-land trip po. Prayers din po sa inyo going there. Good weather, at the same time, baon po ng mga bonamin o ano ba. Okay? So, anyway, guys, i-share ko na po sa inyo, starting this week po, to be honest, we will be having an intensive training. Kasi, one thing I have realized po, sometimes kasi, sabi nga nila, one of the worst song that we could sing is what we call the pretender. Di ba? So, sometimes kasi we have the tendency na we pretend that we know how to present already. Sometimes we pretend also yung bagong pasok natin, alam na nila anong gawin nila. Sometimes we also pretend na nagigets na nila yung product or okay lang ba sila. So, na-realize ko, that was my song for the past 3 months with Amare. I pretend na alam nyo na. Then I have realized na hindi nyo pa talaga alam. So, we will be having mga trainings po, ibibigay po natin. Gusto ko lang po sanang i-remind kayo na may mga 3 trainings po. Can you give a round of applause po naman po sa binigay ni Coach Michelle sa inyo right now? Nagbigay siya sa inyo ng input about getting started. So, but of course, with the leadership of Fish also, you're very blessed, and together with Honey, nandyan, Mambon, sila Mami ni Apple. So, sila Ma'am Ice, nandito pala kayo lahat. Okay, Ma'am Jo. Okay, sa mga mag-lead po right now, ang suggestion ko po, na yung mga trainings po tayong ibibigay na libre. Okay? Meron din po tayong trainings na hindi libre. Okay? Sa online naman po, that's very, very minimal. Kasi we want to give value to the training na meron tayo. Kasi hindi naman po kasi ibig sabihin na that's around only 150 to 300 pesos kung online. Meron din tayong mga workshop na mga training. So, but 101%, I can guarantee you that if you could attend those kind of training, marami din kayong mababaon. Pero, I always tell people na kahit anong training na pinagdaanan natin, if you don't put it into application, everything is useless. So, we will be announcing the first training po, yung free, yung getting started. Meron tayong tinatawag na take charge of your well-being. Ano po ibig sabihin take charge of well-being? Everybody could attend po. Lahat po pwedeng a-attend dyan. Kasi it will talk about health and mental wellness po. Okay? Then another mga free training po, we have what we call the maximizing your income potential po. How are you going to understand the marketing plan? Detailed po. Kasi maraming ibang nagkamali na akala nila nag-recruit na ako ng 125 points, I will get the bonus of 16,200. Hindi po. Dapat po ang nakalagay doon is 500 points. Okay? How are you going to get the silver? How are you going to hit the rank of platinum or even diamond? So, one step at a time tayo. Okay? Yun yung gagawin natin. And lastly, ang gagawin din natin is yung mga trainings po ng mga workshop, yun po yung may mga bayad. Okay? So guys, without further ado, okay. So guys, without further ado, I will turn it back to Fish po, ano? So, mag-announce ako sa inyo ng mga training. So, see you very soon. I will be there in Panpo. I will be there also in Cotabato, in Jensen, and even Marbel. Of course, Davao. So, see you soon, guys. Okay, Tish? Take it, bye-bye.
Thank you, Mentor JM, for that one. So yun po, we have trainings for level up na mga leadership, and of course how to really maximize our income potential in Amare. Okay? So yun po, anyways, yun lang naman po lahat. So the announcement getting started and the updates. If you have questions, feel free to ask po, or clarifications or intentions na si Ma'am Bon, sabi niya talaga magsi-silver na dapat siya this month. Okay, si Ma'am Aisa rin, si Darren din, 'di ba? Ate Hani, of course, ang iba't ibang level yung ano ni Ate Hani eh. Gusto niya daw i-recognize siya pag leader na siya or platinum na siya. Okay? Like what Mentor JM is currently achieving this, yung rank ni Mentor JM ngayon. Yun po. Anyways, thank you so much everyone, and I will be...
Picture tayo, is maka-on
Picture
sila
pala,
ng,
picture. Okay.
maka-on sila ng kanilang
On daw
mga...
kayo ng camera. So, let's take a pic.
Yes, nag-picture ka. Sorry ka. Ikaw kabalo mo picture.
Oh, wait. Sige, likod ko kabalo. Sunod, ate, di ko kabalo po.
Okay. Try na ko ha. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, smile lang yun ha. Smile lang yun. As in.
Smile lang good. Okay.
Okay. Got it. Thank you so much, everyone. Salamat. See you again soon.